Would you like to see some wild ponies on the moor, on Dartmoor? Well, I'm looking for some inspiration for my nature art journal, and I'm going to make a big flask of tea and get up there today. So come along. Now, the wild ponies have been living on Dartmoor for millennia, and they are such a sturdy, hardy breed. They've adapted to living on those windswept moors, often quite bleak, cold, harsh conditions, and they have survived. They are wonderful animals, and I'm very excited to see them again today. I know where you can usually find the ponies, so we will get up there. We will not disturb them because that is very, very important. They're wild animals living in their natural habitat, but we can certainly watch them, look at them and admire them and draw inspiration from them. So if you are looking for some inspiration for perhaps an art project, or you just want to enjoy some wonderful landscape and look at the beautiful wild ponies in their natural habitat, then do come along. I'll make sure I make a very big flask of tea so that you can have some too. I'm going to get my bits and pieces together and we can get going. Yeah, let's do that. So I hope we've got enough inspiration to go back and do something creative, maybe, in our art journals. That's definitely what I'm going to do this afternoon. Time for a cup of tea first though. Okay, I'm back. I fed the cats and I've still got my coat on. Now I would like to make a start tonight, even if it's just getting all my resources out and making a space, clearing a space to get some of those ideas down in a creative way and have a fresh start tomorrow and let those ideas percolate in my head tonight. So I'm going to get on with that and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, the gloves have gone on. It's so cold today. Okay, let's get our journal out. So that was the last spread we did, winter going into spring. So I think we'll use this page. It's finished. That was a very pleasant couple of hours spent and it made that trip to Dartmoor last so much longer. So I left it to dry for a little bit, but we've finished now. that particular pony caught my eye. Munching away, munch, munch, munch. Anyway, there he is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed coming along to Dartmoor. Come back again soon and we'll go out again. Have a good week and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.